Hello there, this is Juan Velasco, and this is our progress report for Sprint 1.
This is Matthew Colquinger. This is Web Server Sprint 1. This week I did the admin user story. So as an admin user, I want to be able to see options for each of the users so that if I need to delete, lock, or update an account, I can do so. Acceptance criteria here will be the admin user will see a group of buttons next to each of the users with different functions, and every time a user is added, the group of buttons with the functions should be next to the user's information. Alright, so we'll go in here, we'll go to our admin page. We currently have our 4 participants in this project. We have Matthew, Juan, John, and Peter. They all have an update, lock, and delete button. As you can see, I'll update my database here. It's showing we have 4 people in there. Let's go home, add a new user, make it Sam. Okay, so now we're going to have 4 users now, or 5 users now, and Sam is added in there, as you can see, and he also has an update, lock, and delete button. And the next user story I completed this week is as an admin user, I want to see all the users currently using the service so that if one of the users need to be modified, I can do so. Acceptance criteria here is going to be the admin should be able to see all the users currently using the service, and the users shown in the data table should be the same as in the database. Okay, so we have our 5 users, and they are our 5 current users, and our database should update here. If I hit refresh, showing that now we have 5, and Sam is now in there. Great, thank you very much.
Hi there, this is Juan. User story. As an admin user, I want to navigate to a new page when I click the new user button so that I can enter the new user information. Acceptance criteria. Whenever the new user button is clicked, the admin should navigate to a new page. The new page will show fields in which the information of the user will be entered. So whenever we're on the admin page, and whenever we click new user, we should navigate to a page where we can register a new user, and it shows the fields that we need for the new information for the user, which is name, email, temporary password, an account number, and the balance of it, and we can choose a profile picture for them. User story. As an admin user, I want to be able to input the information of the user, such as first and last name, email, and account number, so that the user information will be complete and accurate. Acceptance criteria. There will be fields that require such as name, email, password, profile picture, account number, and balance number in order to add a new user. After all information is entered, the new user should be added also in the database. So we go to the website once more, and we click on the user. We're going to add a new user to the database. It can be this is our total, and let's start with that balance of 0. So we add it, and then we can see the new user is here, added after we enter all the information. And if we go to the database and we refresh it, there should be a 5th element, which is the new user that we added to the database. Thank you.
Hi, I am John Vu. I am doing Sprint 1 presentation. Unregistered user story. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to navigate by pressing the register button on the login page so that I can enter in my information to sign up. Acceptance criteria. The unregistered user should be able to see the option to register in the home page. The unregistered user will navigate a page where he or she can input their information. The new user registration page will have fields so that the unregistered user can enter his or her information. Now let's go to localhost 3000. And this is the home page, the login page. And on the login page, there is the register button for the user to press so they can go to the register page. And when you press it, it will go to the register page. And this is the register page. And the register page has text field where the user can enter their name, the email, their password for their information. This is the register page where the user can enter their information. This is John Wu with Sprint 1 presentation. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Peter Hodgson, and these are my user stories and acceptance criteria for Sprint 1 for our web server term project. User story. As a registered user, I want to type my username into a text box so that I am able to log in. Acceptance criteria. A text box is present, prompting the user to enter his or her username. And here you can see, you can type a username. User story. As a registered user, I want to type my password into a text box so that I am able to log in. Acceptance criteria. A text box is present, prompting the user to enter his or her password. Here you can see, you can type your password. And this concludes my user stories and acceptance criteria for this sprint. Thanks for watching.
And this is our presentation for Sprint 1. Thank you.